Hey everybody, it's Diana Stevens. I'm out on Pensacola Beach. Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like today. I'm going to really quickly show you this guy here. He's using one of the sand sifters to sift out some of the tar balls. See, it looks pretty good after he makes a pass. Here's the area he just cleaned. But here's the area he hasn't gotten to yet. You can see lots of tar on the surface. Dig down here. You can see there's still some tar underneath too. But the beaches are open.
Where?
The beaches are open. You see there's some people out here. And I'm west of the pier right now. There's some folks out there swimming. Let's go take a look at the water. Lots of shells. I can still see a lot of tar that's washed up along the shoreline. There's the water. Looks good. And University of West Florida, they have been doing, independent water testing, posting weekly results. They posted results 2 days ago, and they did not detect any oil. Now they're not testing for Corexit, just looking for oil. So basically, in 3 different counties here along the Gulf, they have not detected any oil in over a week, which is a good sign. But again, they're not looking for Corexit. I don't see any sheen moose, but I do see little tiny tar balls in the surf, but not a lot. But it's still there. But all in all, the water looks deceptively clean, enough for people to want to be in there swimming. But that's what it looks like today, Saturday.